Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to connect your Binance API account to your Tafabot account in order for you to start trading automatically. For those of you who don't know what an API is, an API simply means application programming interface, which allows you to be able to bring in two platforms together in order for you to be able to trade without any risk. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do this using your Binance and your Tafabot account in order for you to successfully start trading and start making profit for yourself. First thing first, you need to have a Binance account which is fully verified. If your account is not fully verified, do not do this. Then you also need to verify your Tafabot account as well, and then get started with all of this. I will leave the link to these two different platforms, both Binance and Tafabot. All you just need to do is to use the link in the description so that you can be able to get started with it. So once you have been able to get started with it and you come to your home page here, all you just need to do is to come to this section here at the top here where you will see more. Just click on it. Once you click on the more, it will bring you to the next interface where you will have to go down below. All you just need to do is to scroll down where you will see others. In this area where you will see others, you will be able to see where you will see API management. All you just need to do is to click on it. Once you be able to click on it, now you need to create an API for yourself in which you can be able to connect to your Tafabot account and start trading automatically. So you are allowed to load up in order for you to be able to connect it and get started with it. Now, there are some processes in which you need to understand when creating your API from your Binance in order for you to connect it to your Tafabot account. As you can see here at the top, it gives you information that you need to have in mind. First, you will see here where they say create an API, create tax report API, or delete all APIs. Our main focus here right now is on creating API for yourself and connect it on your Tafabot. Now, first of all, you need to have it in mind that it gives you the opportunity to create up to 30 APIs in which you can be able to use for different platforms. And then you are also expected not to disclose your API keys, which are very, very important. They are your keys, because if you disclose it, people can be able to hack into your account and all of that. Then you are not allowed to use any third party or disclose your API in order for you not to lose your fund. Then you also have it in mind that before you go into creating an API, you need to first of all ensure that your account is fully verified. That is why I will leave the link in the description of Binance so that you can be able to verify your account and get started with it. Then another thing you also need to have in mind now is to get started, and that is why all I have to do right now is to come at the top here and click on create API. So once I click on create an API, it will appear like this where you will see create API, and it now asks you to label the key process. All you just need to do is to give this API a name. All I'll do here is to come here, I'll now give it, let me say KC official. For instance, I'll use the word KC official, and once I use KC official, I'll now click on next, and once I click on next, it will automatically load up. As you can see here, it's loading up and it's telling me to verify the security code, and all I have to do is to verify it by putting this in order. And once I've been able to verify it, it will load up again, telling me to be able to verify my email and my phone number in order for me to get started with it. So all I have to do right now is to verify all of this and then move over to the next option. So once you have been able to verify all of these, you will see that your account is fully verified, and I'll take you to the very next thing to do. Let me just verify this and then come back here. So guys, once you have been able to create it successfully and verify your email, it will appear like this. All you just need to do is to come down to this drop down menu at the down here. After this copy, you will see a drop down menu. It will bring down your API key and your security code. All you just need to do is to come at the top here, you click on edit. Once you click on edit, you need to set up some information that are very important to you. Like you need to first set up this enable spots and margin. You also need to enable this loan and this enable features. These are the three important things you need to do, and you also need to permit universal transfer. All you just need to do is to enable all of these things. And if you check here, you will also see that this enable withdrawal is being saved. That means you are the only one who have the right to withdraw your fund when it is appropriate. So this app does not have the right to be able to withdraw because you are the one that have that right. All you just need to do is to ensure you have been able to set all of these things, and you go at the top here and then click on save. And once you click on save, it will automatically save, and it will ask you that permission expired only after 90 days. That means after you must have set all of this, it will be expired after 90 days, and you will be expected to recreate it. And all you just need to do right now is to confirm. The next thing to tell you is that you need to verify your phone number in order for that to be set immediately. All you just need to do is to verify. You get a code that will be sent to you, and once the code has been sent to you, all you just need to do is to verify it and submit. So guys, once you have been able to create your API on your Binance and you are ready to go, the next thing is for you to come to your Tafabot account, and then you come to this area here where you will see exchange at the top here. What you need to do is to click on the exchange, and you will be able to connect your Binance account. As you can see here, I have not been able to connect my Binance account. All I have to do is to connect my Binance account. If you want to also connect your Geegpay account, you also have the ability to do that. So for now, we are doing on a Binance. All I have to do is to click on it, and as you can see here, is asking that you put in your Binance API key and your Binance API secret code. So remember, I told you to save your secret code and your API key on your notepad. So all you don't need to do is to go there and then paste them. So let me just do this effectively and then put in my API key and my API secret code. So guys, once you have been able to copy them and paste them, all you just need to do is to come to this area here and you click on connect. And once you click on this connect, it will show you that your account has been successfully connected. This is how you can be able to connect it and then get started. But ensure that before you connect your Binance account to this particular Tafabot account, that you have been able to pay for the license fee, either the beginners, which is $100, or the $500 license fee, in order for you to be able to get started and start enjoying this Tafabot and start making a lot of profit for yourself. If you have never been able to subscribe to get their license, it will not allow you to be able to put in your API account and get started and all of that. So ensure that you have been able to get a license in which you can be able to subscribe either $100 or either with the $500 or $1,000, with what you want or with how much you have on your account. So this is it. If you got value, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification, and don't forget to share. So see you on the next one.